Welcome to Builders Edge division of SMTVS.com, the construction division. And this have a menu, and we don't supposed to have SMTVS menu here, and we don't supposed to have this sidebar here because we have a regular menu. And if you roll this up, it's supposed to be give you an effect like that. Okay, what we need to try to start make the AI understand. When you leave SMTVS.com and go to inner site, you just have a back button that will take you back to the home page, or you can continue going throughout the page, right? So that's the concept of the whole thing. You know, I do construction of the real world, but I'm also a developer and I'm also a musician. So I have to try to take care of all my little career, all the little trade that I have. And since the age come and them say AI is in everything, so you see, I have to have a host that have AI in it, really taking care of everything. So, how am I to like try to manage my construction and manage my web business at the same time? It's a big job, and the site already itself carry 168 page, and it's not even done yet, right? Because okay, we are in everything video. Cause we are video, we are VGA, right? So video gears and applications. So any video gears we are really into. So one of the video gears that we even not mentioned to people is SMTVS home and business surveillance, right? We haven't even mentioned that to people. You know what I mean? Um, like my friend bought me some cameras, some surveillance cameras the other day, and I got online and I looked, and then you had to log into the site and everything, and then you can monitor your place. Okay, so I've been doing webcam stuff, live cam. I sit here and I turn I have dark goal as a meeting thing in it, right? I go there and I go on my Mac and I turn it on, and my camera's pointing at me, and hey, I'm seeing myself in the camera, and I'm like, wow, this is working, and live is really working. So that technology is the technology that is generally used for security monitoring. Only thing, like oh, I'm creating like quad monitors in my video program. I can create quad monitors or double quad monitors that could monitor any one place. Okay, but having also the agent to build a time lapse recording system that capture stuff at a time lapse. So those are the things that we are going to be in, right? So the site is not completely done yet. And of course, the site we created a radio station. I've not seen it yet, but I saw the data file for it. So I guess you haven't got around to creating the page. And you know that I created one at Dark Goal, right? But this is one now is a touch up. I was gonna put that. I'm gonna still transfer that data over there in Dark Goal by adding an editor to the actual mixer board and everything over there in the radio station, so you can cut and splice stuff up and do some other things, right? And have a more smarter AI system running as well. So we're talking about the construction, and we should try to drop into the service area, right? Cost and material and cost estimate, right? We have an AI, artificial super intelligent AI designer, right? That does all the design and everything. We send them a little contractor network thing, project management, right? So the normal stuff, right? You guys, we got one of them thing them call a Kanban board or what they want to call it. That's there in there too. We'll get around to that. Okay, so we are simulating some projects on there because once the thing is created, it's not going to leave the page empty. It's going to put in stuff. So we can do this little calculation right here. If we want cost and estimate and in the building. So I have a job that I'm going to do. So it's not good. I can come here and I can add in what type of job it is, and I can just go ahead, right? And it just calculate everything for me. So now the client who asks me to calculate, work on a wall for them, right? So that is it. I'm going to use this, although we don't have wall in there, but we're going to enter the amount of blocks. I don't see that. So we're going to update this to a little bit. And amounts of blocks and this and that in the calculation. Amount of steel, amount of this, wood, blah, 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 blah. So it's a lot of stuff I'm going to create a bank of information so the estimate cost, but this is still standard, okay? And we have the designing tool that does the design and everything. So I have not seen a window, but I think what's going on here is that I basically click on the information, what type it is, modern, bedrooms, floor, garage. I think I click on those stuff, and you click on these guys right here, and you sort of just do that, and then say generate. But I guess you can select down here. I'll check the style, but I want to do that, and I wanted a prompt to be there too. So I just didn't want it to just simply just the design in blind, because something might be wrong. And you like say, oh, change this to this or change that to that. You see what I'm saying? So we still need to do more to the AI architecture, right? But you see, I'm putting everything on automation. So, for instance, somebody link Builders Edge, it's going to be handled, the calls and everything that's going to be happening, and the email and everything that's going to be happening. The AI handling the job right from start to finish. The AI, we'll have a bunch of contractors listed in our database now, so the AI will make contact by sending an email to different contractors, or particular contractors who are going to be doing or be on the job, right? That type of way. So it's just like a straight automated system, right? I forgot to, well, we got contract in there, so I should explain a little bit more about the contractors. The contractors are workers could come online and sign up, and they are on the database, and when job become available, we give them an email, and they got to have their phone, right? So it's like Builder's Edge. So we contractor pages here, but it's not really set up yet, right? And well, we got a project page set up like that, right? And it will tell you, just estimate like you do a job, sort of tell you what we did that for and everything, right? We got dashboard, right? So thanks for like taking the time. We talk about builder construction. Yes, we're going to cover the construction. So I'm going to make my little small construction business, even try to make more now by using social network media and other things to gain clients, right? So, but we have to have the website. Although we need to have a few little nice little pictures in there, you know what I mean? Well, I have a lot of jobs that I did, right? A lot of stuff that I did, basically. So we're going to try to get that in there, like somewhere along the line. Maybe we start the page with a landing instead of just coming straight into what we see right here, right? Or maybe we have a picture above it. So those are the things. Yeah. So stick around. We'll be sending the next blog your way on another part of SMTVS.